Let me show you this narrow table that I was just gifted. It's such a perfect table to fit in small spaces, very narrow spaces. You can put it next to the chair, next to the sofa, maybe next to the bed. The size of it is 26 high and about 6.5 inch wide. You can place even a computer on it. You can place your plates if you want to eat it, maybe some drink. You have basically 2 shelves, and underneath you can put magazines, and over here you have 2 pockets that you can put some stuff in. They are small, so you can place maybe like a notepad and some pens or markers. So let me show some close-up of it. The table has these 2 open shelves that you can put so much here. You can put decorations, you can put notebooks and magazines, and on the bottom you have this basket. You can place so much. You can place bigger books and heavier books, and as you can see, I put such a huge book and I still have a lot of space. It is easy access. Overall, I think it's such a great idea to keep it in like small spaces, especially if you live in an apartment and you don't have much space to put your stuff in, like your work stuff. And the 2 top shelves are made of wood, very sturdy, does not really shake, and the other stuff is made of metal. And also on the bottom you have these legs that you can actually adjust them if the floor is not straight. It was super easy to install it. It took me about 10 minutes to do so, and I will show you at the end.